right, we are over here at BBS, our commercial site. We've been here since we dug the foundation. Crazy to see the changing. We have both machines here today, both black excavators, 325. Daniel's loading up topsoil and Cat, bringing it back to the yard, screening it because it's beautiful. We're doing some trenching work with the 315. Massive septic going in here. Where I'm standing, massive tanks are going in the ground. 86,000 liters worth of tanks are going into this job site. So that's what they're working on right now. Yeah, everybody's all on one site. The band is back together.
But there ain't no sitting you down. You're my sunrise, you keep coming up. You're in every conversation, every smoky situation. If it's water, if it's whiskey in my cup. You're the memories I'm drinking. You're the thoughts I'm always thinking, girl. It don't matter how far I run. You're the one that I can't run from. Used to be my late nights, love me till the daylights. Now you're just my sunrise. You keep coming up, you keep coming up. You keep coming, yeah, you keep coming.
We're gonna go tow Daniel. Did I kill him? Yeah. See, he doesn't freak out. He's a man of the... Where did he go?
Right in front of you.
You're gonna live in a septic pond.
He looks so happy. He doesn't know it now, but he's gonna get covered with like 100 tons of sand.
He doesn't know it right now, but he's about to go down.
Daniel's the only guy I know that will run an excavator with a hood on. Looking like a fucking weirdo, straight up weirdo. He looks like that kid in high school that would run down the hallways like this. Big pond, digging here. Big swale that's gonna collect all the water. They're gonna tie it into here, and all the groundwater is gonna be held into there. And then where that riprap is, we call it a riprap, that stone. It goes out to a trench into the ditch. The idea of the riprap is to kind of collect silt and dirt. Pond looks nice. They did a good job shaping her. Okay, Monday motherfucking morning, baby. Monday, Monday, Monday! You know what they call rock on the street? Crack cocaine. You know what we're unloading today? 50 fucking rocks all the way from Barrie, Ontario. We got another local transport company transporting the shit out of our construction crack cocaine. And today we're gonna be making construction crack cocaine rock walls.
Once you guys get these on the go, I gotta rip over and fix that pipe. And I expect that wall to be done by the time I get back.
This is a megalodon, please.
We're gonna build a wall. Call me Donald Trump, baby, because I'm building a wall.
We're going to build a wall. It's going to be built.
7 boards swerving white beans, wheels turning, rose gold chrome, maxing on the rims, picture perfect, no destination. Let's just wait and see where we end up. Burning those, burning up videos on backwards, they tiny tuck. Bitch look at me, she said, yeah, what the fuck? Oh, I'm out enough. I don't fuck with life forms on this planet, bitch, you out of luck. I got better shit to do like sit the
Could be part of the problem. You squirt your juice in my hole. Let's get a grip. There! Jesus Christ. Fuck. Shit. We got a squirter! We got a squirter!
Fuck man, again, dude. Oh my god.
Yeah, muscles. What's happening this morning? Second load of rocks has come. So Darren and Mike are gonna get those off. We started our walls yesterday. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 walls. So 1 wall, 2 walls, 3 walls. Our 4th wall is down there, which is literally just 1 rock, and then we have another 4 walls to build around the corner over there. That's why we have so many rocks. The objective for today is to finish these 3 and make it all look pretty and functional so it lasts forever.
That turned out nice, eh?
I think it turned out pretty good.
Oh yeah. No, this one's really nice. Fucking foggy, eh? Brutal.
Fucking 2 deers run across. I was like, this is the perfect fucking deer smoking weather.
Oh yeah. I love smoking deer. Good morning. We are up here in Burnstown this morning. We are starting a new home build, so we're going to be clearing the lot behind me putting in a laneway, septic, digging for the house. It's gonna be a lot of fun. We got some beautiful shots on the bridge on the way up. What a great day.
Oh, you should put a red heart for the ones you want to keep standing. If we want to tear that one down.
That's a double.
I'll let him decide. Fuck taking a video of me, Booby.
Yeah, man.
I just watched these last night.
Have a little respect for the
They
poor
came out
guy.
of the dryer
He's having a
this
rough go.
Sorry to hear that, man.
Yeah, sorry to hear that.
Yeah, I don't care.
I will swing my axe. Don't let the flames go down. Carve out some of that kindling. Oh, there's plenty of wood around.
Hello.
That was wild. Holy shit. That was wild. That'd be a strike. That was, I don't know, my sock. I think that was way safer than cutting it.
Yeah, dude, that's why I heard it crack and I was like, dude, just try it. Fuck that. I ain't standing anyway. So we're up in Burnstown, right across from the Burnstown beach. We're working for Bob Brayton today. Beautiful new home coming in, walkout basement, septic, all that. Down on the water, I believe it's almost a 2-acre lot here. And, we've just been land clearing since last Friday. We'll be here the rest of the week putting the laneway in, and then they're going to decide whether to do septic or foundation first. Yeah, that's about it.
Okay, Wilby sent me out here to go and recap the video that you guys just watched. Okay, we did a bunch of walls. The best walls. We started a land clearing project. It's been about 2 weeks since you guys saw us last. I'm super proud of the work that the guys have been doing this summer. 325 is back from land clearing. We are moving back to another commercial project next week. Beautiful combine in behind me. I'm cleaning it up for the Cart Fair, which is September 21st to the 24th, I do believe. Don't quote me on those dates, but I'll see everybody there. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you guys on the next one. We'll look at my favorite truck. We'll look at me. Now look at you. You watch my video. Goodbye. But of course I didn't forget about you guys, the true patriots of the channel. Watch the entire video to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those true patriots, I want you guys to comment down below, sod up. Why are you commenting down below, sod up? Well, in this video, we absolutely demolished some beautiful trees that just had to come down. So if you watched the entire video to the very end, comment down below, sod up. I appreciate you guys. Have an awesome weekend. Hopefully you had a good Labor Day. We'll catch you on the next one. Y'all take care.